Hi everyone, Miss Keski here. I noticed from the people that were already starting to work that there were two skills questions that were the most difficult for people, so I just wanted to send out this video to help you with that. So this graphing polynomials and stating factors seems to be difficult. So here it wants you to graph this polynomial. Now, what's going to help you with this is using this calculator feature, which you can not really see. So if you come up here to the little thing that looks like a calculator and click graphing calculator, it's going to open up this graphing calculator for you. And this is going to be really helpful in graphing this. So my suggestion would be to split these windows up so that you can see the question and your graphing calculator at the same time. Okay, so first thing that you want to do is, if you notice, this graph goes from negative 1,000 down here all the way up to positive 1,000 here. So you want to change that on your graphing calculator. So make that negative 1,000. And this is going to be positive 1,000. Now your picture is going to look very similar to the picture here. That'll help you when you're graphing. Now to plot, you're going to put it in the function 1 spot. So this is our function. And we're going to type in what I have written here as my question. Instead of f of x equals, we're just going to type y equals instead. X, and I'll show you how I'm typing this. So to get x to the fourth, you hit x and then the caret feature, so Control 6 gives you the caret, raised to the fourth, and I'll keep typing the rest of it. Minus 49x, Control caret, or Shift caret, I mean, sorry, squared, plus 36x plus 252. So you just want to make sure that your functions match up. So it's going to look a little different when you type it in. You see the caret there, but you want to make sure that it matches up with your question. So if you mistype something, then you're definitely going to get the wrong graph. All right, so we can keep going. And I'm going to click plot, and then you're going to see this is what you want your picture to look like. Now to figure out where to plot all the points here, you want to go to the table. So on the graphing calculator, click table, and it's going to show you the table. The Delta Math program is going to want you to plot something for every value here from -8 to +7. So you're going to plot everything that fits on your picture. So we're going to scroll up. -9 goes up to 2,520. Well, that's way higher than the graph, so that one doesn't fit. So that's how you know to start with -8, 924. So I go over here, -8, and you're going to go up to approximately 924. These go by 100, so 100, 200, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 900, and I want 924, so I'm going to go just a little above it. Doesn't have to be perfect. As long as it's in approximately the right spot, it's going to count it as correct. Then the next value over here is -70, so -70 right there, -6, and -432. So I'm going to go down just past 400. -5 and -528, so go down just past 500, -4 and -420. And I'm just plotting each point approximately where I think it would be. Scroll to get the next set. -3, -216. So -3, 216 would be about here. -2, 0, -1, and 168 positive, so we're going to go up. 0, 252, so it's about a halfway between 2 and 300. 1, 240. 2, 144. 3, 0. These 0 values are going to be really important. 4, -132. So just past 100. 5, -168. And 6, 0. 7 goes to 504. And can we fit one more? And 8 goes to 1500, so that's too high. So we click plot function and it draws in the curve for you. Now there's another part here, you have to write it in factored form. Now what's really important is your factors are going to come from these zeros. So -7, -2, +3, and +6. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 times that it crosses the x-axis, so I'm going to put in 4 parentheses down here. For each time it crosses, you're going to make a factor down here. It crosses at -7, so we always do the opposite, so that's x plus 7. It crosses at -2, so that's the opposite, x plus 2. Crosses at +3, so again, that's the opposite, x minus 3. And the final factor is 6, so x minus 6. We can click submit. Click yes. And there it is. So that is how you graph the polynomial and then write it in factored form. Hope this helps.